With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a force F is applied at the center of a disk of mass m. The minimum value of coefficient of friction for rolling is. So here we can say that suppose this is our disk of mass m. Now here the force is applied at the center of the disk. Hence this is the force F being applied at the center of the disk. Now minimum value of coefficient of friction of the surface for rolling is. Hence we can say here for rolling, here this friction will act in the, let's say here, to provide rotational motion here, since this will translate in the plus x direction. And we can say here that for rolling, since center of mass will have velocity along plus x axis, and for rolling, pure rolling condition, this v must be equal to r omega. So for rotational motion about the center of mass here, in we can say here as clockwise sense, the friction here must be acting here at the surface here in, let's say, minus x direction, so that it can provide about point, let's say, center O in, let's say, clockwise direction. So we can say here this, let's say, can be written here about point O. We can say this comes out to be about O tau is equal to, we have here as I alpha. So we can say here that this is equal to, our tau here is equal to friction into radius r, which is equal to I into alpha. Moment of inertia of the disk about center is given as mr square by 2 into alpha. So for pure rolling, we can say alpha is equal to, we have here as A by R. So here A equal to R alpha means alpha equal to A by R. R and R cancel, 1R cancel. So we have here F given out here as MA divided by 2. So this MA here is equal to our force which is acting on the system. So this is F by 2. So we can say here this friction can be written as mu n, which is equal to F by 2, and this normal reaction here can be said as equal to mg. So this comes as mu equal to, let's say, this here simplifies to coefficient of friction as F divided by 2 mg. Hence amongst the 4 options, we have here option number 1 as the correct answer. So 1 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.